Hello, I'm Olga Rodita, and today I'll be presenting a comprehensive sales strategy for Toyota's hybrid models, a key player in sustainable automotive solutions. Toyota's hybrid model has revolutionized the automotive industry, providing an eco-friendly alternative to traditional vehicles. Toyota's commitment to sustainability and fuel efficiency has positioned its hybrids as the preferred choice for eco-conscious consumers. The heart of Toyota's hybrid system is a combination of a gasoline engine with an electric motor, delivering both impressive fuel economy and reduced emissions. This synergy allows for a smooth, efficient driving experience. Toyota has strategically positioned its hybrids as the go-to choice for environmentally aware customers, consistently staying ahead through innovation and market-driven strategies. The strategy is built on the key message, sustainability without compromise. Toyota's hybrid models are marketed on their environmental benefits, cost savings, and advanced technology, which resonate well with today's values-driven consumers. The common objections to hybrid purchases often include concerns over battery life, higher upfront cost, and perceived complexity. But Toyota addresses these by providing extended warranties, highlighting long-term cost savings, and educating customers on the simplicity and reliability of hybrid technology. In negotiation, I focus on creating win-win scenarios. I acknowledge the customer's concerns and offer solutions like trade-in incentives and flexible financing. This ensures that potential buyers feel secure in their decision to transition to hybrid technology. To close the sale, I emphasize Toyota's strong brand reputation, reliability, and exceptional customer service. Flexible payment options and trade-in incentives further smooth the decision-making process, making it easy for customers to commit. Toyota's hybrid models consistently achieve high sales volumes and market share growth. This success highlights the brand's commitment to innovation and the rising demand for sustainable vehicles in key markets. To conclude, Toyota's hybrid sales strategy exemplifies its dedication to sustainability and innovation. Moving forward, I aim to build even stronger relationships by adapting to evolving customer needs and continuously improving our approach. Thank you for your attention.